Hey everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make a heart-shaped bunny face pinata cake. So let's get started. Here I have melted white chocolate. This is a geometrical heart-shaped silicone mold. Pour the melted chocolate in the mold and turn the mold to coat the sides and the base. Pour away the excess back into the bowl and scrape the extra and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's start with fondant work. Using pink and white fondant, we make the bunny's ears, nose, eyelashes and pinky bow. Ready for second coating. Go over the sides with spoon and more chocolate. Scrape the extra and freeze again. It's unmolding time now. Loosen the sides and carefully unmold. What a beaming geometrical heart it is. This is a goodies bowl. Carefully fill the chocolate heart with goodies and place the cake board on top and turn it upside down. With the help of melted chocolate, stick the bunny ears, nose, eyes, eyelashes and make whiskers using black fondant. For the shine in bunny eyes, put a tiny ball of white fondant. Our hearty bunny face is smashing ready.